seen these luxury floor transformation videos all over Instagram and YouTube, and people are making $1,000 per month just by uploading these videos. Before I show you the exact process, subscribe to this channel because I share real AI strategies that actually work. Hi, I'm Nexora. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a trending floor transformation video using AI, step by step. You don't need a camera. You don't need editing skills, and yes, this works for Instagram and YouTube. Step 1. Get the AI prompts. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPT and search for floor transformation. Click Start Chat. You'll see multiple room options. I'm choosing bedroom, but you can select any style you like. Now ChatGPT will automatically give you image prompt, video prompt, copy the image prompt. Step 2. Create images. Now go to Gemini AI, select Image Creation. Paste the image prompt and generate the image. You'll get a 4K ultra-realistic image. Repeat the same process to generate multiple images for different stages of the floor. Once done, download all images. Step 3. Convert images to video. Now go to Google Flow AI. Select Frame to Video. Upload image 1 in the first frame. Upload image 2 in the second frame. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. Boom! Your first clip is ready. Now repeat the same process. Image 2, image 3, image 3, image 4. You'll get smooth cinematic transformation clips. Step 4. Final editing. Open any editing app. CapCut, VN, Premiere Pro. Merge all the clips together. Add light music. Export. And your viral floor transformation video is ready.